4 times a number plus 7 is at least 14. First, we need to write the inequality. So let's call our number x. 4 times a number would be 4x, 4 times x, plus 7 is at least 14. What does at least mean? At least would mean it could be 14. If it's at least 14, it could also be 15, 16, 17. So we're going to go with it's greater than or equal to 14. Now we need to solve. So we'll subtract 7 from both sides. Getting 4x is greater than or equal to 7. Then we divide by 4. X's are greater than or equal to 7/4. Putting this on a number line, we want x's to be greater than or equal to, so if it's equal to, we can close circle it or give it a bracket, and greater than. So we would have a bracket, 7/4 to positive infinity. A number is at most -3 times itself plus 12. So again, a number, we don't know what this number is, but we'll call it x, is at most, meaning the biggest it can be, and it could be equal to it. So less than or equal to, it has to be less than or equal to -3 times itself, so that'd be -3x plus 12. So now we need to solve this. We're going to add 3x to both sides. So we have 4x is less than or equal to 12. Dividing by 4, x is less than or equal to 3. On our number line, we have 3. We want x's to be less than that, equal to it, so close circle or bracket. So then we know that we're going from -infinity to 3. A number plus 6 is greater than -6 times itself. Again, we don't know this number, so we call it x. A number plus 6 is greater than, well, it just tells you what it is. It's greater than -6 times itself. That would be a -6 times itself, which is x. Solving this, I am going to subtract x from both sides. Getting 6 is greater than a -7x. I need to divide by a -7, and when I divide by a negative number in inequalities, it means I need to reverse the inequality. So I'll still have a -6/7, but now instead of being greater than, I will have less than x. I like to rewrite this as x is greater than -6/7. Notice the sign is still pointing towards the 6/7, the -6/7. So if x's are greater than a -6/7, we know we want them to be up in here, open circle. So that would be a -6/7 to positive infinity.